Hi everybody, welcome back to Bimal Sarji YouTube channel. This is question from class 9 simultaneous equations or linear equations. Exercise 12.2 question number 8b. The sum of present ages of father and his son is 80 years. When the father's age was equal to the present age of the son, the sum of their ages was 40 years. Find their present age. How many years ago was the father 6 times as old as his son? So let's move to the solution. Find their present age. So we can suppose here let the present age, find their present age. So let the present age of father is equal to f years and the present age of son is equal to s years. So by first condition tells what? The sum of present age is 80. So present age is f father's age plus s is equal to 80. So this implies father age f is equal to 80 minus s. This is equation 1. Now when the father's age was equal to the present age of the son, so for this we will consider one example. Suppose, okay, this example we will consider here. Suppose the age of when the father's age was equal to the present age of the son. Suppose the case here that son age is equal to, okay, son age is equal to 5 years and father age is equal to 25 years. Now the son will be, okay, now son will be equal to the age of father after how many years? After 20 years. So 20 plus 5 is okay. After 20 years the son will be age of the father. So this will take how much? 20 years, okay, for the son to be the age of father, and the father at the time will be age of how much? 25 plus this 20, because the age of father will also increase. So the age of father will be 25 plus 20, that will be his will be how much? 45 years. Age of father will be 45 years. So but the case here, when the father's age was equal to the present age, when the father's age was equal to the present age of this much, so in this case also the same, we can apply the same formula. We'll find here what? We'll find here difference. This is the difference we have to find here. If we add this difference in this, we'll get the son age as equal to the father age. So we'll find here what? Difference of the age. Now here difference of their age. Difference of their age means father age minus yes. So this will be here father age minus yes, son age, this much, okay, this is this much years, okay. Now here the question tells that when the father age was equal, that means before, okay, this much, before this much year. So we write here before this much year, okay. We can write it now f minus yes years, okay, this years before, f minus yes years before father age is equal to what? The father age was equal to the son's present age. Son's present age, okay. This is, okay, this we have okay, we have to consider this in the opposite case also, okay. Let me explain you here. I have already told you this, but again I want to make you clear. Suppose the father age is here now opposite, okay, 25 years, okay, and the son age, okay, son age is how much here? 5 years, okay. So the when the father age was equal to present age, suppose this is the present age of father and this is the present age of son, then father, how many years before the father was as the age of son? Before 20 years, okay, before how many years? 20 years ago, okay, 20 years ago father was equal to the age of present age of this son. So this 20, how we got? We got this 20 by the difference of this father minus yes. That's why we have written here your father's age minus yes age, okay. So before this much years before, the father age was how much? Son's present age, okay. Both you can rewind and listen this both, okay. Both are the same concept. This is the concept directly applied to the question number 8a, and reverse is, okay, reverse is applied in this question here. This concept is applied here, okay, here. So now here we'll now, what we'll do now here, f minus s years before present age is father's age is equal to son's present age. So now here we can now, what we'll now do here, this is the father age f, this is the father age. So before f minus s, so before f minus s, father age will be minus f minus s, okay, this, and son's age, okay, son's age will be how much? Son's age, this is the our father's age, okay, and son age will be how much? Son age will be s minus f minus s, because f minus s years before, son age will be s minus this much year. And furthermore, the question tells what? When the father's age was equal to the present age of this son, the sum of their age was 40. So this sum will be how much? 40 years, okay. This is the tricky part here. Now we'll try to solve this, okay. Now we'll see here f minus f minus this f, and minus plus s, and this plus here s minus f, this is minus f, and minus plus s is equal to 40. Now you can see here this f minus f, see there in the father part, this much part, okay, this only we got s. Why? Because already we have considered age. Here we have considered what? f minus s years before father age is equal to present son's present age. See there, son's present age, this father age become what? Son's present age, okay. And now this part s minus f, so this is now here now here other this is plus s, okay. So this is how much s? 1 2 3, so this is 3s minus f is equal to 40. This is equation 2. Now equation 1, our equation 1 is this f is equal to, so we'll put value of this f from here. So from equation 1 and 2, equation 1 and 2 tells, see there, this is our equation, this is equation 3s, so this is 3s minus this f, so f value is 80, so we'll take bracket because there is minus, so 80 minus s is equal to 40, implies 3s minus 80 minus plus, and this is how much? Yes, this is yes, not 5, okay, this is the yes. Don't confuse this yes with 5, this is yes, okay. Son's age is equal to 40, and this is also son's age, yes. This implies 3s plus yes, so this will be how much? Plus 4s is equal to 40, and this minus 80 when it goes this side, this will be plus 80. This implies 4s is equal to 80 plus 40, this will be what? 120. This implies s is equal to 120 divided by 4. This implies s is equal to 4 3 ja 12, so this will be 30. Yes, okay, son age will be 30 years. Present age is of son is 30 years. Now we will find here father's age. So when we will put here in 1. Now equation 1 implies that f is equal to 80 minus son age is 30, so 30. This implies father is equal to 80 minus 30, this will be 50 years. Father is 15 years. So now we can write here in the language, find the present age. Therefore the present age of father and son, present ages, okay, of son are, father is 50, so 50 and 30 years respectively. This is the first part answer of this find the present age. Now the second part, for the second part here, how many years ago was the father 6 times? How many years ago? So we will suppose here let y years ago, let y years ago, how many years ago the father let y years ago the father, okay, father age will be 6 times, okay. Let y years ago father's age will be 6 times. Father's age is equal to 6 times 6 times as old as his son. 6 times his son's age. Okay, in this part we will now write here what, so y years ago father age will be how much? Father age was f, and minus y years ago father age was how much? F minus this y, and son age yes minus y will be, okay. And the condition tells that the how many years ago was the father 6 times, so father was 6 times, so this will be now here multiply with 6, so 6 times as the age of the son. So now just we will put the value of f from here. F value was 50, so 50 minus y is equal to 6. Yes is equal to 30, so 30 minus y, this implies 50 minus y, 6 3 is 18, 180 minus 6 into y, 6y, implies minus y, and this is minus 6y. When it comes this side it will be here plus 6y is equal to 180, and this 50 this side goes and it will be plus, then it will be minus 50, implies minus y plus 6y, this will be here 5y plus 5y is equal to 130, implies y is equal to 130 divided by this 5. So this will be let me divide this, okay, 130 divided by this 5, so 5 2 ja 10, this will be here 3, and then 6 5 20 26 years, okay. This will be y is equal to, this implies y is equal to 26 years. Therefore how many years ago? So 26 years ago the father was 6 times as old as his son. This is required answer of second part. You can now write here how many years ago was the father. So therefore the father was 6 times as old as his son 26 years ago. This is the complete solutions of this. If you have any doubts in the step, please feel free to comment in the comment box. I have spoken somewhat loudly and very fastly. You can slow the videos and listen it so that you can see all the explanations. Hope you understood, and you can check the playlist of other solutions. You can, if you see this video in the Facebook, then please follow me in the Facebook and share with your friends, and if you see in the YouTube, then please subscribe to the channel so that whenever I upload my new videos you will get notifications and you will get the advantage of this. It is very useful for SCE students 9-10. See you in the next videos. Radhe Radhe, Jai Shri Krishna.